Guys, I'm back. How's everyone? Just keep on winning, guys. On this video, I will show you the exact method to get or select your power combination for the jackpot prize, the $1 million lottery prize. This is the ultimate secret tricks that the big-time lottery players use that they don't want anyone to know. These are for the 5 and 6-digit lottery. You can apply it on the Powerball game, your millions, 649, 645, 642, any lottery all around the world. I will explain how to select and use more number but lesser combination for our betting. Okay guys, let's be honest here guys. This kind of lottery, when someone wins, this is also known as lucky winning because of the large amount of combination against what you are betting. Let's say 8 million combination against you bet only for an ordinary person will bet 6, 5, including the Powerball numbers. Example, 4 combination and different kinds of numbers. And let's say you bet for 4 combination. How you expect to win? Come on guys, it will be a pure luck. But guys, on this secret strategy, we will reverse this. What if we bet on, let's say, 1 to 49 numbers? Now you hold 10 to 12, 10 to 15 numbers and you bet less. You have the power now. I mean, if you will go to the battle, you have armor now to bet your enemy. At least you have a chance here in lottery to win the jackpot. So it will not turn as luck. Before we proceed to the exact method on my upcoming lottery journey, on hitting the lottery mega prize, whatever I will win, I will give 40% share of my winning to the subscriber on this channel. Okay, mark my words guys, God is my witness, so don't forget to subscribe. Okay guys, now I will explain step by step so you can understand. You need to understand how it is done. Okay, let's say we select 15 numbers. Okay, and it needs to equally distribute to result a 12 power combination. Here below, I have already selected my 15 number to generate my 12 power combination, and I level this. 11 labeled by A, 22 labeled by B, 33 labeled by C, 44 labeled by D, 15 labeled by E, 16 labeled by F, 27 labeled by G. Okay, so much, and you can see, just follow the leveling because this will be used as your pattern and reference. If you used 15 numbers, just replace your number. Okay. Okay, now I will show you this 12 combination that the 15 numbers generated. Okay, here is 9. As you can see, okay, 9, here we go, 9 labeled by I. So you just replace 9 by your numbers and put on the first, second, 11 labeled by E. Just replace 11 by your desired number here. Okay, 15 labeled by E. Just replace your number. Okay, just follow this pattern. This is equally distributed. Here is what I mean of the equally distribution. Okay, look at this first combination: 9, 11, 15, 27, 31, 33. On the second combination, look at the number 9. It was replaced by 10. Look at the number 10. But the second and the third number was not replaced, because our purpose here is distributing it equally. Our main number will always remain 6 if we have 6 numbers. Okay, if you have 5-digit lottery, just remove one combination, one number. Okay, now the fourth, as you can see on my fourth number, it was replaced by 28 labeled by H. You can replace your number. And the fifth number was also replaced. This is equally distributing the number, and the 33 was not replaced. On the third combination, look at the number 11 labeled by E. It is placed on the first, and the 15 was replaced by 16, and it was labeled by F. It moved forward. Look at the number 28, 31, 33, and the 43. This is the 12 combination. This is the 12 combination. As you can see, guys, you can print screen this or pause the screen. Now, just replace your chosen number. How to replace? Just identify the number and replace the letter above. Put your desired number and replace the number according to the level. Okay, guys, okay. Here's the 12 power combination.